Morning light signals another day of precise harvesting.
The journey begins at sea, where skilled hands harvest the ocean's bounty. Each net carries the promise of fresh tuna, caught with care. From ocean to deck, every fish is handled meticulously. Secure storage ensures freshness until the return to shore. Powering through waves, the fleet stays steady and reliable. Sorting begins immediately, ensuring quality from the start.
Ice preserves freshness, protecting the delicate texture of each tuna.
Every layer is carefully arranged, balancing temperature and protection.
Accurate measurements maintain standards for processing back on shore. Prepared crates are ready to continue their journey to the facility.
The fleet returns, carrying today's catch for processing.
On shore, the journey continues under careful supervision.
Temperature-controlled transport.
The journey inland begins, moving toward the processing plant. Every mile brings the catch closer to transformation into products. Security and organization ensure every shipment enters under strict supervision. Every journey is timed perfectly to maintain the freshness of the catch.
And now, the tuna enters the world of industrial processing, ready for the next phase.
The crates are handled with care, each one a promise of quality. Each crate is carefully guided into the facility to maintain freshness. From the exterior to the heart of the factory, every crate is positioned perfectly for the next stage. Smooth entry points prevent delays and ensure operational efficiency.
Automation begins, guiding the catch toward its transformation.
Maintaining low temperatures is critical before processing begins. The processing phase is just ahead, where raw tuna meets technology.
Smooth transitions between zones prevent damage and maintain flow.
Every detail is recorded, guaranteeing product integrity from start to finish.
And so, the tuna makes its final journey through transport into the heart of the factory.
From the dock to the factory floor, every step is designed to protect freshness and quality. Human precision complements automation to ensure flawless intake. Every structural detail is designed for durability and workflow efficiency. Integration of dock and factory ensures minimal handling and continuous flow.
Maintaining the cold chain is essential as tuna enters the processing environment.
Curved conveyors guide crates seamlessly from entry to core processing. Here begins the first step in preparing tuna for production. High-pressure jets remove impurities while preserving quality. Trained eyes ensure that only the best fish proceed further.
Sorting by size helps streamline processing and packaging. Smaller fish are handled carefully, maintaining consistency across batches. Manual trimming guarantees quality by addressing minor imperfections.
Every fish is aligned precisely for automated sorting. Color detection helps maintain product standards and eliminates defects.
Human oversight complements automation for perfect results.
Final rinsing ensures the fish are spotless before processing. Efficient drainage prevents water accumulation and keeps production safe.
Final visual checks catch anything automation might miss. Tagging ensures only prime quality tuna continues to processing.
Converging lines streamline flow for the next stage of transformation. Constant monitoring prevents bottlenecks and keeps production seamless.
With careful cleaning and sorting complete, the tuna is now prepared for transformation into high-quality products.
Even distribution ensures consistency as each fish enters the machines.
Precision gutting prepares tuna for subsequent processing while maintaining hygiene.
Skilled oversight guarantees that only properly prepared tuna moves forward.
Deheading machines work with precision, enhancing efficiency and safety.
Thorough rinsing removes remaining impurities and prepares tuna for drying.
Human oversight ensures each fish is ready for precise filleting.
Filleting machines optimize speed.
Fillets are carefully sorted to ensure consistent quality for packaging.
Advanced scanning technology ensures food safety and quality standards are met.
Defective portions are carefully removed to maintain product excellence.
Precision weighing ensures consistency across all batches.
Portioning prepares tuna for uniform packaging and distribution.
Every portion is verified to meet exact standards before moving on. Core processing transforms raw tuna into ready-to-package portions, maintaining precision and quality at every step.
Pressing standardizes portions and removes unwanted moisture. Rapid cooling preserves texture and flavor before further processing.
Sampling ensures that every batch meets strict quality standards.
Final trimming ensures flawless presentation and product consistency. Precise sampling allows for thorough analysis of each batch.
Microbial testing safeguards against contamination and ensures food safety. Chemical analysis confirms the product meets regulatory and safety standards.
Temperature verification preserves freshness and product integrity.
The main transformation stage converts raw tuna into high-quality, ready-to-package portions, blending precision and efficiency. Vacuum sealing locks in freshness and extends shelf life. The finishing line ensures every product meets exact specifications and visual standards. In the main transformation stage, the tuna undergoes its critical industrial refinement.
Label verification ensures traceability and compliance with regulations. High-tech automation takes over, optimizing speed and precision in handling. Advanced visual inspection captures even the smallest imperfections.
Every batch undergoes meticulous quality control before leaving the facility. Metal detection ensures the highest safety standards for every portion.
Human verification remains a critical step in quality assurance.
Advanced imaging technology ensures flawless products reach the next stage. Precision weighing ensures uniform portions for packaging and distribution. Vision systems detect even the smallest imperfections to maintain quality.
The audio features the rhythmic sounds of a factory, including the constant hum of a conveyor.
Sealing secures the product for storage and transit.
Accurate labeling ensures traceability and compliance for every shipment.
Final inspection guarantees flawless, delivery-ready products. Automated palletizing maximizes efficiency and minimizes manual handling.
Quality control and lab testing guarantee that only the best products proceed to storage and delivery.
Controlled cooling preserves freshness before storage or dispatch.
Temperature-controlled transport preserves quality until final dispatch.
Human oversight ensures automation operates flawlessly around the clock.
Final scanning confirms stability and readiness for storage or dispatch. Accurate counts ensure correct inventory and batch management. Temperature control maintains freshness during transition to storage. AGVs streamline movement from production to storage without manual intervention. Organized storage ensures easy retrieval and efficient inventory management. Constant monitoring maintains optimal conditions for product longevity.
Precision and finishing lines guarantee that each product is perfect and ready for final quality assurance. Securing pallets safeguards products during handling and shipping.
Efficient transport ensures timely storage under optimal conditions. Each pallet is stored under precise conditions to maintain freshness. Controlled storage preserves freshness and quality until dispatch.
Forklifts ensure safe and efficient loading for shipment.
Careful loading guarantees products reach their destination safely. Sealed and secured, the pallets are ready for delivery to their destination.
Every shipment is verified before leaving the factory for ultimate safety.
The team ensures every delivery is accounted for and meets quality standards.
And this is how modern factories produce tuna, from start to finish.
From raw harvest to final delivery, precision and care guide every step.
Finished products leave the factory, ready to reach markets and consumers. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.